Hello, listen. Okay, Ruan, listen. Okay, so I want to talk about multiplication. Okay? From a very simple example. Are you all able to find the area of this rectangle?
Half times breadth times height.
Half times breadth times height. Can you go and sue your primary school teacher?
I bet
20 length times breadth because rectangle is just length times breadth. So the area is 4 times 5 equals to 20. Liz, still talking. I talking about this because I see y'all cannot do multiplications. Okay. Then now, for whatever reason, I don't like to write the number 5. So, for the same rectangle, I split it up into 2 and 3. Okay? So the length is still 5. But I split it into 2 and 3. So this time round, what is the entire area of this rectangle? Ruan, what is the area of this rectangle? 20. Yes. I don't like 5. Don't like lah. Why? To show you all something later. I don't like. You like lah. I never stop you from liking. Now they cannot. Okay. Then I want to ask you the next question. What is this area? This one to the side. What is this area? 8. Why? 2 and 4. Because this side is still 4, this side is 2, so this one is 8. Then what is the other area? 12. Why? Because here is 4, here is 3, so 3 and 4, right? So I have 12. Okay? So 20 is the same area as these two added together. That's why we have 8 plus 12, right? Follow so far? Okay. So now, if I change the numbers a bit, I still have 4 here. Then this time round, here, what is the total area? Can you all see that the total area is length times breadth. So I still have 4 multiply 3. Just now I take 4 times 5 what? But instead of 5, I write 5 as 2 plus 3. So now, instead of the 2, this time change to x. So my total area is 4 times x plus 3. Okay? So this is still a multiplication. 4 times this side. End up, I will still have this area plus this area. So this time round, what is this area? 4 multiply x. So here is 4x. Okay? Then this area is still 4 times 3. So I have 12. Okay? So our multiplication, when it involves bracket, is actually you can treat it as a length times a breadth. Then end up, what is my total area? My total area is still these two add together. So my total area is still 4x plus 12. Individually, how did I get 4x? Actually, I take this 4 multiplied by this x. So which is this 4 multiplied by this x to get this 4x. How did I get this 12? I take this 4 multiply this 3. So I take this 4 multiply this 3. Okay? Then one more step. If now I also don't like the number 4, can you see that the total area this time is made up by 2 plus 2 times 2 plus 3? Hello, Ruan. So this time round, what is this total area? The total area is still 4 times 5. But I break it down into the component. So I will have these 4 pieces. What is this smallest piece? Ashari. What is this area? This small piece? 4. Because 2 times 2. Naim, what is this piece? 4 also. 2 times 2. 2 times 2. No. Adam, what is this piece? Then this piece? 6. Okay? So again, 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 6, they will give me back 20. Correct? So now, finally, I am still finding the area. So this time round, what is the total area? The total area is y plus 2 times x plus 3, right? This length is y plus 2 ma. Y here, 2 here ma. This length is x plus 3 ma. So the total area is like that ma. So end up actually, I will still have these 4 portions. My y multiply x to give me this portion, which is xy. Yx is the same as xy. 2 times 3 same as 3 times 2. Okay? Here is x. Here is 2. So this small piece now is what? 2x. Here is y. Here is 3. 3y. 2 times 3, 6. So again, these 4 pieces of component, where did they come from? I take this y, multiply this x. So I took this y, multiply this x. Then this portion come from, I take this y, multiply by this 3 to get this portion. So that is the same as I take this y, I multiply by x to get my first portion here. Then I take the y, multiply this 3 here to get me 3y. This piece. So I am still adding all of them together to form my final multiplication. Then I have this 2x, which is made up of this 2 multiply this x, which is this 2 multiply this x. Then finally this 2 here multiply this 3 to get my 6, which is this 2 multiply this 3 to get my 6. So I have these 4 portions added up to form the entire area of the rectangle. So this is how we do the multiplication of brackets. First term times first term times second term, because first term times first term times second term. So every time you see a multiplication of bracket, by right you all should have done this in last year. I am teaching the Sec 2 now. Whenever they see multiplication of bracket, if they don't know how to do it straight, go back to drawing. Go back to drawing a rectangle. Okay? No. You know why? I like to say no to people. Okay. Okay. Come, try. How do I do this multiplication? If I cannot straight away do all this multiplication, I help myself. This side is x and 2. This side is x and 3. Then, to help me myself remember, here I should have a x squared, here I should have a 3x, here I should have a 2x, here I should have a 6. But once you are very familiar, you don't need this already, you can then x multiply by x. First one times first one. X times x is x squared. Then the second one is x times 3. So I have a 3x. The third one, 2 times the x. Then the last one, 2 times the 3. So I still have 4 piece one actually. Just that now like terms, I can put them together. 3x plus 2x become 5x. Okay? So this is a basic multiplication that you all must know. When I have bracket followed by a bracket, it is actually a multiplication. Multiplication, then it goes back to as simple as like that lor. Multiply to get your area. Okay? Can? How, Ruan? Okay. Then let us go back to our workbook. No, chapter 2. Okay, continue. We are going to translate English words into mathematical equations. Translate it to Tamil also can. Okay. Question 4. Question 4, right? Yeah, question 4. You have this diagram. They tell you this is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Hello. Why you all so busy? Okay. Then they want you to form an equation in X. Right angle triangle, we always think about whenever I have right angle triangle, Pythagoras must come to my mind. What's that? Pythagoras is a person. Okay? Okay. Hey, you all want to shift your seats or not? Keep talking. Then talk. Later still don't know how to do. Changyao also. You need to shift. Go. Naim, I come here, then you all become you all talking. Okay. Pythagoras theorem is telling you the relationship between the 3 sides of a right angle triangle. Okay? Definitely the longer side is the most special. Okay? So longer side is the most special. That's why we put it on one side. What do I mean? I mean that is the longer side equals to the two shorter side added together? No. It is not. But it is similar to that. What Pythagoras say is actually the longer side. Pythagoras. Same one He is a Greek he's not an English, he's not a Angmo yeah. Maybe my one more correct, you also don't know. Okay. So what is important is actually I don't really remember the A, B and C one. I remember it by the longest side. If I square it, it is equals to the other two sides. Square and added together. Yeah. In this case, B is the longest.
No, I thought the longest is C. Supposed to be C.
The naming is always, if this is B, this one is B. Opposite. Yes, that's why I don't remember by alphabet. I'm just telling you, don't need to remember by alphabet. The longest one is this one. Side, sorry. My handwriting too ugly. The other two sides, because they are not the longest, so they don't have their individual name already. Just the other two sides. So I remember by their relationship. I don't remember by their ABC. Because if you remember by your ABC, in this case, this longest side is actually B. Because it is opposite the B over here. If you look at your notes, your C opposite here is a capital C. Correct? If you look at yours, your version,
My last teacher teach one, you wrong, you go and scold him.
it is not wrong, just that you remember by this, you will get confused. Okay, if you remember it by your ABC, then you must remember your C is always the longer side. You must remember the longer side. So I only remember the longer side. Anyway, you have to remember the longer side. Why do I need to remember another alphabet for it? I just remember longer side square is equals to the other two sides square and add together. Then I don't need to remember ABC. Okay, never mind. You remember ABC, you remember your ABC. But you must remember your longer side is your C. So in this case, we are still applying the same thing. Hello. The longer side is here. 2x plus 3. For sure, why you start combing your hair again? Okay? The two shorter sides are x and 2x plus 2. So Pythagoras say the longer side, if I square it, it is equals to the other two sides, square and added together. So with this formula, with this knowledge, we can form an equation. Zoe, are you with me? Zoe, why? It's just a name. Okay? Uma, why you also are you following? Okay, from there I need to simplify this equation and then show that it reduced to this. Hello. You are able to continue. Now you have formed an equation. Now your job is to simplify it until like that. Until here, they tell you to show. Zoe, you are sleeping already. Don't feel well. Wow. You know I don't believe anything to us.
Yeah, I know, that's why I totally assure you.
So she yesterday never come.
I have you quickly go and wash your hand and come back and do your work. Adam, go ahead, wash your hand. And the other two, quick. You form the equation already, then your job is to make the equation look like this. So this expand. We form the equation already, then simplify it until it looks like this. Easy. Wow, your Hari Raya food. Huh? Why all forcing all go to the same place? All forcing. So you now cannot shift. Cannot shift to work lah. Where? Page 68. Simplify. We just go through how to multiply. Or you can use your identity. Expand, simplify. Huh? Go. Then Chloe also not feeling well. Then the two of you, where are your workbook? Doesn't look like it. Need to restart one where got jotting down and it's not even at the workbook. Okay, Mr. Chua just say all your PLD those not using for classwork one, confiscate. So next time I see anyone not using, confiscate.
This one comes here.
Yes. Okay, you can use your identity. Front and back being squared. So end up I must square the front, I must square the back, I must take 2 times the front and the back. So I will end up with 4x squared. I will end up with 9. I will end up with 2 times 2x times 3, 12x. Yes.
Just so why you don't like 5?
Nothing. Now I like already. Just now I don't like, now I like. Two times 2x times 3. Okay, I am using the identity. If you don't remember the identity, then you have to go and expand it out. The identity is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So, a is the front. Front square become 4x squared. Back is 3. 3 square become 9. The middle is 2 times the front times the back. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 2x is 12x. But if you don't remember your identity, then you go back to what I say just now. 2x plus 3 multiply 2x plus 3, then 2x times 2x, 4x squared. 2x times 3, 6x. 3 times 2x, 6x. 3 times 3, 9. Then you simplify, it will become the same thing. Hey, hello! What are you doing?
So you want to learn math? You should ask me one question.
Yeah. I hate people who disrupt my class. Okay, then you will have to simplify. What they have is everything on one side becomes 0. So you will also want to move everything, simplify them. Huh? Why? Why? My 4x squared plus 12x plus 9, I don't change. When I'm moving this here, become minus 5x squared. When I'm moving this to the left, become minus 8x. When I'm moving this to the left, become minus 4. So I simplify, then I will have 4x squared minus 5x squared, so minus x squared.
Why is it 5x squared?
Huh?
Why is it 5x squared?
Why is it 5x squared? The right hand side, after I expand. Haven't yet. I haven't reached the answer yet. Okay, I expand this, I get this, I simplify x squared plus 4x squared, that's why I have a 5x squared. Then when I move the 5x squared to the left, it becomes negative 5x squared. Then when I simplify, 4x squared minus 5x squared is negative x squared. 12x minus 8x is positive 4x. 9 minus 4 is 5. Then I go and look at what they want me to do. Not done. Megan, for sure. You all spent how long tying your hair already? Okay. Then when I go and look at what they want me to show, what they have is positive x squared. But what I have is negative x squared. So, different. Then I must change this to positive. How do I change this to positive? Negative times negative will become positive. So, I can multiply negative 1 to the entire left hand side and multiply negative 1 to the entire right hand side. So when I multiply by negative 1, Minus 1 times minus x squared become positive x squared. Minus 1 times positive 4x become minus 4x. Plus 5 become minus 5. 0 is still 0. Okay? Then I go and look back again. Exactly same already. Okay? When it is exactly same, then I put shown. Megan, you know this is using your PLD for non-learning purpose, right?
She asked me how was it.
Then 3 of you. I see this again, I will confiscate, give to Gio. She asked you, you must do. She asked you eat shit, you go and eat shit. Correct. Your calculation is wrong. Where got? I told you already. Once you do your substitution, you type this into your calculator. You know this negative wrong is wrong already. This negative 16 is also
Okay, I
wrong.
type this and see.
You go and type and make sure everything looks the same. Your bracket at the correct place. Hello, Adam. You go wash your hand, then you come back sit at this corner for what? No, I never bring tape. No, do it later. You don't need to do it during math lesson. You may feel urgent to fix your money, but you don't need to fix it that one actually. Go back to your equation. You write properly already. Why is it plus? Your formula is b squared minus 4ac. Why you type the plus there? Okay, so shown. Then after that, you want to solve the equation. Yes. What are you all doing? Solve the equation. You have learned 3 ways to solve quadratic equation. First way is to factorize. In this case, the numbers are 1 and 5. Very easy to factorize. So, if I factorize, it will become x minus 5, x plus 1. Okay? Factorization. Then you will get x minus 5 equals to 0, or x plus 1 equals to 0, x equals to 5, or x equals to negative 1. Magic. Magic. Okay. They never specify you must factorize. So if you do your quadratic formula, then you will go and list down. A is 1, B is negative 4, C is negative 5. Then you can use your quadratic formula. X equals to negative B, plus minus square root of b square. Auto correct. Okay? Zoe! Where is even your book? Where even is your book? Huh? You put at home for who to do? Then you never bring book. You come here, talk and distract them. Okay. So if you cannot see the factorization, it's okay. Use your quadratic formula. But make sure you substitute correctly. Adam, you don't want to be here, right? Hey, I don't need to beg you to be here one eh. You don't want to be here, you don't want to learn, you can go elsewhere. Go red box. Cannot be math error. Your C is -5. And where you put your bracket is important. Naim got it. Go and try again, type again. If you do your substitution correctly, you just copy the entire line into your calculator. Make sure they look exactly the same. Remember all your substitution, put a bracket, put a bracket, put a bracket, put a bracket. Then you copy this exact same thing. Sure, correct one. Let me see where you key in wrongly.
He never put a negative.
Oh. Yeah lah. Okay? Then your calculator will tell you 5. And then when you change it to negative, it will tell you -1 also. Here. At first it's key in plus, then after that you change it to minus, it will tell you -1. Yes, you have to do both.
Yeah, like both methods.
No, you don't need to do both methods. If you can see the factorization, you can do factorization. Yes. This one just type calculator. Huh? After question C? Cannot lah, you all never even do work, want to break. Go, go, go. Why break? You all never even do work eh? You all got do work eh? Yeah lor. You know what is the best thing to do now? Do push-up lah. You also restless, all do push-up together lah. Okay, wait. We find the area. Go, go, go. Okay. One more thing. X is a measurement. X is a side. So X cannot be a negative number. So when you found out your X is 5 or -1, you must go and reject -1. X is a side, it cannot be negative. Okay? So you must reject the negative answer. Wait for Megan to come back. Okay, then when I want to find area of triangle, half base times height. Base and height must be 90 degrees apart. So I must take half times x times 2x plus 2. Okay? That is the area of triangle. Half times base times height. The base is 2x plus 2. The height is x. Then I have found that x must be equals to 5. So I can do my substitution. We have found x to be equals to 5. Yeah, how come become so big? Okay, so when I put x equals to 5 inside, substitution, replace the x with a bracket, put my 5 inside. Then I can key this inside calculator. Go, go, go. $12 divided by 2, 6 times 5, 30. Answer. Go, go, go. Then you wait for Katrina to come back.